Hi, in this video I am going to show you how to convert an Excel sheet into Word document. Why it is important? Because many businesses reports require Excel data into Word format for better presentation, and also Word documents are easier to share and print than Excel sheets. So let's start the video. So this is our Microsoft Excel sheet containing sample data. To convert this Excel sheet into Word document, open Microsoft Word. Now click on the Insert tab in the Word. Find the Object option, click on it, choose Create from File and click on Browse option. Find your file you want to convert into Word document. So this is an Excel file, choose it and insert it. Click OK button. See, table data from Excel sheet has been converted into Word document. Simply save this document. So that's it. You have successfully converted your Excel data into a Word document. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks for watching.